Well, here we are with Oneida's puppies. They're a lively bunch right now. We'll see if they try to come crawling out like Lyric's puppies did. They're just a little younger than Lyric's puppies, so we'll see. Maybe they'll stay in their crate for just one more week for me. Okay, so right here, let's see if I can get closer so I can point. Right here is little Sahara. You can tell Sahara because she's just barely got any, just got slight color on her right ear. She's got white mixed in with her color on her right ear. So that's how I know her. And she's also got a spot on her, right above her tail. And then we've got Sequoia. And Sequoia, come here. Sequoia! Sequoia has color that just kind of comes off of the left side of her head a little bit. You can see it on the top of her head. And then we've got Sierra, the little tricolor girl. And then last but not least, Stormy. Oh, Sawyer, you're so noisy. Lyric's puppies are barking at me. Oh my goodness, and he's in the water. Sawyer, do you think you need a bath, Sawyer? Sawyer, he wants me, and so he's all the way in the corner where the water dish is trying to get to me. Oh, babies! Hey, that's too noisy. Get out of the water dish, Sawyer. Jeez. Let him run around while I try to get this video so I can have some peace. Oh, what do you think, little babies? Huh? I'll name them again for you. This is Sahara, Sequoia, Sierra, and Stormy. They're all just ready to come bounding out of their crate, aren't they? Yeah. They've discovered their voices and they're getting kind of noisy. Hi, Sawyer. Hi. You just wanted to come see me, didn't you? Yeah. Aren't you a friendly one? Oh, here comes Sierra. She's what? Sawyer. I let Sawyer out of the other kennel. Now he's going to come see them. There he is. Sawyer. You are my adventurous one. Mm-hmm. Serenity's out too, and Sammy's in the kennel sleeping. They're finally getting to that fun age where they play and start showing some personality. Where are you going, Sierra? Huh? Where are you going? What? Sawyer's snuggled up in my lap now. Oh, are we gonna poop out this quick? Are you all tired so fast? Huh? They were all snuggled together sleeping when I first started taking pictures. So I interrupted their little nap. What do you think? What, Sawyer? Sawyer. This is not your video. You're supposed to be quiet. Oh, yeah, you're supposed to be quiet. Yes. Well, what do you think, Sequoia, huh? You know, get on the top of the pile. Poor Sierra, she's like, oh, look at this. So cute. All right, I guess we got ourselves a little dog pile here. You've got Oneida's puppies, 4 weeks old as of yesterday.